at this. Oh my god. Lots and lots of them. Look at this. Oh, what you call swan. Swan. That's what kind of bird is that one? That pretty one. Look at that over there. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Look at them. That's a turtle. Swan. Over there is a big pelican over there. A big pelican. And I have a little bird there, a bird prince. And there's what's this? Wild duck. And that's the black one. I don't know. That's a black swan. Oh my gosh! Look at them. Oh my god, that's so cute. Wow, I haven't been here. This is the first time. First time. It's beautiful. Here, look at a lot kind of birds and swan. Swan, I'll show you. Black swan and a small bird there. And over there is a pelican. Oh, you can see around there. There's lots of them over there. Oh my God, she's just so beautiful. God, she's feeding them. Oh my God. Oh, they're fighting, they're fighting. Oh. Actually, they're not allow you to feed them. They can learn how to look after themselves, but it's not good idea to feed them. The food, the human food might destroy them. Anyway, you can't stop people. Hello! Look at you guys, so beautiful. It's beautiful. What kind of bird? You've seen the colors. Wow, look at that. They can be friends now. Wow, so beautiful. This park is a beautiful. This is the first time to me to be here. Look at that. Over there, swan, black swan. Has a lot of black swan here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello. Look at the mouth. Mouth very cute. Got a little one there. The mouth red color. Hello. So pretty. Yeah, very big. Big feet. That's another big one there. Over there. Look. He kicked the water. Kick. Hello. Oh my God. So big swan over there. God. They're so beautiful of them. Wow. And lots of them out there. Cup. I think a family. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Try, you know, fire. Try. You're not gonna go up. Do I scare you? There's a lot of them. The birds been call. That's so pretty. It's so beautiful. They move. I cannot run there. See where I gonna go. Look at the colors. Oh my god, that's amazing. Love this fish. They're everywhere. Oh my god. Look at this flower. It's a beautiful and a beautiful smell. I haven't seen this. I don't know what is this flower. It's a big tree full of the flowers. Gosh. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at this one. It's beautiful too. Wow. It's so beautiful. Full of the flower. God, I never seen this. Wow. Don't know. Yeah, like a red color. It's very pretty. I don't know what you call this one. Look at them. They are very sharpy. One hiding underneath there. Very sharpy. Wow. Someone bursting. Look at that. Enjoy the day. What are you eating? Hey. Look at big hurricanes. But I saw only one here. I think this guy come from somewhere. Just like to make new friends because only one hurricane here. Or other is a different kind of the world. I enjoying it today.